Here's the latest convertible in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1959 Ford Thunderbird. Second generation of the Thunderbirds. This particular one came to us in trade out of the south, I believe it was the Georgia area. Particular car would have originally been a diamond blue car, according to the data tag or VIN tag on it. It still has that blue cast to it, and I can't remember off the top of my head the diamond blue in the Fords back in the late 50s, early 60s, but I think it may have been a little bit darker than this, but you may know that better than I do. So originally a diamond blue car, would have came with a 352H code, 300 horse V8 underneath the engine. That appears to be the same. Cannot confirm if it's the original engine or not, but it looks like there is a 352 underneath there. That's paired with a Cruise-O-Matic Ford automatic transmission. And the original gears in the rear end would have been 310 rear gears. And of course it does have a blue on blue interior yet, although it has been redone. But originally it would have been a blue vinyl with blue nylon and then a silver strand to it. So there's the interior, and we'll get around to the other side, can kind of show you that closer. Nice driver quality car. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can kind of check the colors. As I go around this, you'll notice it's kind of appears white in places, depending on how it shows up in the lighting. But it does have a real kind of a light blue, diamond blue cast to it. Check out the still pictures. Down below this video in the description, there's a link you can click on. That'll take you to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us, too, if you have questions and like to know anything about this car. We'd sure assist you. 507-386-1726. You can see, pretty straight car, up and down, passenger side here. I'd call this a nice driver quality. It does have power steering. As far as options, tried the wipers a little while ago. They worked fine. It does have a power top also, although it's been modified a little bit, so I'm going to show you how that works towards the end of this video and give you an idea. It's actually pretty slick how they have it set up. As you can see, buckets up front, center console, shifter on the column. Nice smooth running car. I've had it fired up a couple times that I've moved it around. Seems to run out pretty smooth, starts easily. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation, getting this car to where you're located at. And again, if you want to check out the still pictures, and you see the underside, engine bay, trunk area. You see the top is white, it's in decent shape. Still pictures, take a look down below this video. In the description, there's a link. Click on that. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. And once again, feel free to call 507-386-1726, be the number. Let's go ahead and check out this interior again. Take a look up and down the driver's side again. Seems to be a pretty straight car. Came to us out of the south. All right. Take a look at the kind of two-tone interior. Lighter blue, darker blue combination. Looks good with the exterior of this car. Seats in nice shape. They're not full of rips or tears or showing any major wear. Pretty nice shape yet. Appears to be the original dash. Doesn't look like it's cracked or anything like that. I have not had that radio work, and like I said, the power top did work, and I did have the wipers going. Let's go ahead and start this car up a second. And FYI, the wiper switch was the one down here, just so you know. See that they work. Now, I'm going to show you that top here quick, too, before we get into the hood. I'll pop the hood while we're in here, so I don't forget. But down here, if I can get it so you can see it, see where my finger is? Right here, there's a button. So basically down below the ignition. Take and push that button. That releases your trunk. There is a little catch, just like a hood catch, on this side of the trunk. I'll try to do this one-handed to show you. It's quite easy. So flip your trunk lid all the way back. Now, I want to raise the top, there is a button right down here in the inside of the trunk. If you take and hold that button up, the power top, as you can see, will go up. Alright, there's the power top going up. It does go down the same way. I'll show you something else here. This here, you can pull out and flip this down. So when you go to close up the lid, I can't do it with just one hand, but all you'd have to do is pull that out. You'll be able to close up that lid, flip it down into the trunk, and then you can close the trunk lid down. And then obviously vice versa to flip it back. I'm going to go ahead and lower this top back down just to show you. Once again, goes both ways. As you can see, it's a nice shape. Works slick. They got it set up nice. They're just bypassing that rear trunk lid going up and down. And there it is, all folded up in the trunk. And then, like I said, you would just close this trunk just like you would the hood of your car. Just close it on down till it latches. Speaking of the hood, let's go ahead and pop that so let's see what it looks like underneath here. Whoops. Alright, there you go. Nice clean engine bay. Like I said, power steering. 352 V8 underneath there. This car originally came with. Appears that it has been freshened up along the way. This is the way we had this car traded into us, by the way. But you can see how smooth it runs. Nice smooth running engine. Sounds good. Pretty cool old 1959 Ford Thunderbird. So there you go. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, look down below this video in the description. There's a link you can click on. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.